look at that dust storm, guys. Oh! Oh no, we gotta get home as fast as possible. Look at that terrible storm. Just look at that, guys. Shout out to all the Arizona people, the people who live in Arizona. This thing is crazy. The birds are even struggling to fly.
Oh my god. Yeah, my car is going sideways.
Whoa.
Yeah, we gotta get home, bro.
We gotta get home. I hope all of you guys are at home because the people. Shout out to all the people who live in Arizona right now. It is just terrible out here. There's dust storms. We gotta face a bunch of dust storms. Look at those plants. They're suffering. I feel so bad for the plants. All the plants. It just feels like it's just a massive tornado. Oh, I saw a lightning bolt somewhere. I don't know where. Oh no. If I get shocked, guys, if I get struck by lightning, it is over. If I get struck by bolts of lightning, I might never be posting again. Or I might make it out alive, but look at all those leaves. They're panicking. That is so terrible. I hope you guys are safe. Because Arizona people, I gotta just tell you, this is just a nightmare for a bunch of people, actually. Okay, we're heading back home. There's the Wendy's, and there's the learning experience. Oh, look at that. Woo. The force of the wind. And how to push that thing. Oh, I just saw lightning, guys. I just saw lightning. Do you guys see that? Look at that. And you can see like a weird face in the sky. Kind of looks like a dog without the ears and such. Better get home safe. Look at the trees, they're all suffering. I even made a YouTube short where I got injured by one of those. I slammed into like a tree. I'm doing fine, but I'm scared it's gonna happen to me again. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. All the cars are just driving for their lives. Oh, I just saw another lightning strike. Just lightning in the sky. Oh, green light, finally. Whoa, 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 whoa. We're turning. Oh no, I live in this neighborhood, guys. I live here. I live in this neighborhood. Oh, man. Oh! Oh no, that tree. Poor tree. Oh no, did you guys see that? We better get home as fast as we can. Another lightning. This is making me too scared to ever drive in a car when it's like when it's just like 7 o'clock in evening, when there's like lightning. Oh my god. Even a bird on the sidewalk. You guys didn't see it, but I saw it. Oh my god, we better get home. Because I definitely do not feel safe. Even though I'm 11 years old.
Look at the trash can there.
Oh no, the trash cans! Ugh, this is so frustrating. Everything's just knocking. Oh my god, someone's bird cage just flipped. Oh, I hope my trash can hasn't flipped. Because if it did, over. I'm over. Oh no. Okay, making it back home. I'm way too scared to go back. Oh my god, the neighbor's trash can's tipped over. Oh no. Oh no, my box is flying away.
What is that box?
I don't know. It's not mine. Oh, I hope there's not lightning. Because if there is, I'm dead. Okay. Let's just go outside. No, my phone. Oh no. I'm running fast as I can back into my home. Oh, it's already unlocked. Oh. We're back home, guys. Woo. Let's still unload the groceries. Sheesh, that's just day one of surviving. Just surviving the terrible dust storm. And tomorrow I will post tomorrow.